Ever wondered what it's really like to intern at a global financial powerhouse like Goldman Sachs? As a summer analyst at Goldman Sachs, you're not just fetching coffee. You're an integral part of a team, contributing to real-world business objectives. Your day-to-day will likely involve supporting senior bankers, analysts, and associates. This can mean anything from conducting in-depth market research on specific industries or companies to building financial models for mergers and acquisitions. You'll be tasked with creating presentations and reports, synthesizing complex data into digestible formats for client meetings or internal discussions. Imagine crafting slides that influence billion-dollar decisions. That's the level of impact you can have. Expect to be involved in a variety of projects. One week you might be analyzing trading strategies. The next you could be assisting with the origination of new client deals, like helping to prepare pitch books for potential investors. Opportunities for learning and development are abundant. You'll receive formal training sessions on finance fundamentals, software used by the firm, and crucial soft skills like communication and presentation techniques. Crucially, teamwork and communication are paramount. You'll collaborate closely with colleagues across different departments, so articulating your ideas clearly and actively listening are key to success. Attention to detail is non-negotiable. The accuracy of your analysis and the quality of your deliverables directly impact the firm's work. Every number, every word, carries weight. Beyond project work, actively network, build relationships with mentors and colleagues. They are invaluable resources for insights and guidance throughout your internship. To maximize your summer, be proactive, ask thoughtful questions, and consistently seek feedback. Showing initiative and a genuine desire to learn sets you apart. This program is your chance to demonstrate your potential, gain unparalleled experience, and position yourself for a fantastic full-time career in finance at Goldman Sachs.